A construction foreman noticed something wrong with the steel bars going into a middle school renovation. They were thinner than specified, cheaper, dangerous. His boss told him to stay quiet. It's not your problem. But he knew hundreds of kids would walk those halls. He reported it anyway, knowing it would end his career. The investigation shut down construction immediately. Engineers confirmed the building would have collapsed within 5 years. 6 months later, the city hired him as their head safety inspector. Sometimes doing the right thing costs everything you have to gain everything you need.